Ever been on a plane, train, or even just in a coffee shop with spotty Wi-Fi and desperately needed to access your Xero account? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the question, can Xero work offline? Let's find out if this cloud-based accounting software has any offline capabilities, and if so, how they can benefit your business. Now, Xero is known for being a cloud-based solution. That means it primarily relies on a stable internet connection to function. But in today's increasingly mobile world, offline access can be a real game-changer for businesses. Imagine being able to reconcile bank transactions, create invoices, or even approve expenses while on the go, regardless of your internet connection. Sounds ideal, right? Exploring offline limitations. Unfortunately, Xero itself doesn't offer true offline functionality. You won't be able to completely work within the Xero application without an internet connection. This is a common limitation among many cloud-based software platforms. Think of it like this. Cloud-based software stores all your data on remote servers. When you work online, you're essentially interacting with that data through your internet connection. Without that connection, you lose that direct link to your information. Workarounds and alternatives. While complete offline access might not be possible with Xero, there are some workarounds and alternative solutions you can consider. Download bank statements. Many banks allow you to download your bank statements in various formats like CSV or PDF. You can then import these statements into Xero when you're back online. This can help you stay organized and keep track of your finances even when you're offline. Create draft invoices and documents. You can start drafting invoices, quotes, or other documents offline using a text editor or a spreadsheet program. Once you have an internet connection, you can easily transfer this information into Xero. Utilize mobile apps. The Xero mobile app offers some limited offline functionality. You can view some basic information like recent transactions and invoices, but you won't be able to make any changes or updates while offline. Consider offline accounting software. If offline access is crucial for your business, you might want to explore dedicated offline accounting software options. These programs store all your data locally on your computer, allowing you to work without an internet connection. However, keep in mind that these solutions might not integrate as seamlessly with other business tools and may require more manual data entry. The importance of a strong internet connection. While workarounds exist, it's important to remember that Xero is designed to be a cloud-based solution. Relying heavily on offline workarounds can lead to data inconsistencies and potential errors. Data synchronization. When you work offline and then come back online, you'll need to synchronize your data with Xero servers. This can sometimes lead to data conflicts if you've made changes offline that conflict with changes made by others online. Security risks. Working offline can increase the risk of data breaches if your device is lost or stolen. Cloud-based solutions often have robust security measures in place to protect your data. Limited functionality. As mentioned earlier, offline workarounds often provide limited functionality compared to working within the main Xero application online. Tips for improving offline productivity. Even though Xero might not have full offline capabilities, there are some strategies you can implement to improve your productivity when you're offline. Plan ahead. If you know you'll be offline for an extended period, plan your work accordingly. Download necessary documents, prepare any drafts, and reconcile any outstanding transactions before you lose internet access. Utilize cloud storage. Store important files like invoices, receipts, and bank statements in cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox. This way, you can access them from any device with an internet connection. Invest in a reliable internet connection. A strong and stable internet connection is crucial for optimal Xero usage. Consider upgrading your internet plan or investing in a reliable mobile hotspot. Explore alternative tools. If offline access is a major concern, explore alternative tools that offer better offline support. Many project management tools and CRM systems offer robust offline capabilities. While Xero itself doesn't offer true offline functionality, there are workarounds and alternative solutions available to help you manage your finances even when you're not connected to the internet. Remember, relying heavily on offline workarounds can have limitations. Prioritize a strong internet connection and explore alternative tools if offline access is a critical requirement for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.